Hello, good morning, friends. Today is the 5th of December 2023. In this video, we will discuss about foreign exchange market status from Indian perspective, and the video is in English, a mix of Hindi and English. To do the analysis, first of all, we will click Euro USD chart. Euro USD pair जो है, you can trade this in Indian market. The contract is listed in the National Stock Exchange. Moreover, if you don't want to do that, you can also create synthetic Euro USD pair using Zerodha account, where only INR pairs are available for trading. Other brokers like Dhan, Angel Broking, they offer these cross-currency Euro USD, GBP USD and USD JPY directly. तो ये 4 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और ये 3 ये आप लीगली ट्रेड कर सकते हो. टू एनालाइज दिस, फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये ओरिजिनल कैंडल वी विल हाइड and we'll go to indicators. We'll apply SD Rainbow Wave version 1 and I'll choose 4x. Also in the next one, I'll go to indicators, invite only, SD Rainbow Wave version 1. But here I will choose normal candlesticks and I will unhide the candles. Okay. तो पहले रेनबो सिस्टम की जरिए जिसके जरिए मैं ट्रेड करता हूं, दिस इज माय ट्रेडिंग सेटअप. So I can see yesterday we discussed about that. This, look at the euro strength. Let's change it from the beginning, मतलब फ्राइडेज के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं आरएस को, रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ को. So euro का relative strength is up significantly, but it is in a falling mode. Dollar is up more and it's in a rising mode. 13 points is up in relative strength dollar. Pound is marginally flat compared to the Friday. Yen is significantly strong, much stronger than euro, but dollar looks like it is the strongest. And so far, gold is the weakest. It has lost 13 points. Yesterday we saw a massive move down in gold, like we saw massive move up on Friday. So broadly, ये जो यूरो यूएसडी है, इसमें contrary sell signal आ चुका है. It's a sell contrary signal. Very likely euro is now heading towards 1.0760 और ये test of the medium term line 1.074. So 100 pips गिरने का possibility is there. Once the euro starts closing above 1.0910, that will be the time we'll be cautious that no longer we should play the short side. Here also the short side जो है वो आप small quantity से खेलेंगे क्योंकि ये contra sell signal है. Next चलिए GBP USD में. GBP USD में ये जो दिख रहा है, रेट्स को बोलते हैं रेड कैप्स इन दिस फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड सेटअप और दिस रेनबो सिस्टम. So these red caps means tough fight going on between the bulls and the bears. बुल बियर के अंदर tough fight चल रहा है, इसीलिए red caps. प्राइस एक्शन न्यूट्रल हो चुका है. ये मोमेंट है, we will go sideline on the market. ज्यादा हम लोग ट्रेड नहीं करेंगे unless फुल क्लैरिटी आ जाता है डायरेक्शन में, बुल है कि बियर है, फुल क्लैरिटी आ जाए, देन ओनली वी कैन गो फॉर डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडिंग. सो इसमें क्या करेंगे आप, विल गो टू ऑल्ट ए जो अलर्ट सेंटर है, उसमें ट्रेड लेने के लिए देखिए मेजोरिटी फैक्टर्स तो बुल है, बट ये शॉर्ट टर्म मोमेंटम मिसिंग है. तो मैं शॉर्ट टर्म मोमेंटम वाला अलर्ट, शॉर्ट टर्म मोमेंटम बुलिश, ये वाला अलर्ट डाल दिया इसमें और ट्रेडिंग खत्म. तो USD JPY is the next counter. डॉलर येन बियरिश रहा है. ये देखिए कैंडल का साइज, देखिए साइज छोटा हो गया कंपेयर टू द प्रीवियस वन. ये जो कैंडल्स, दिस शोज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द बुल्स एंड द बियर्स. नो साइन ऑफ द बुल्स, नो ग्रीन socks here like it was visible here. but the length of the candle has come down, means overall strength of the bear has come down significantly. Now let's look at the USD INR, not my favorite pair. I do not trade this one largely directly. I use this one to create cross currency pair. It has been attempting bullish up move for a very long time, but our Reserve Bank of India यहाँ पे present रहता है, cutting down the volatility and spoils the directional game. नेक्स्ट चले आते हैं JPY INR में. JPY INR में हम लोग डिस्कस किए थे कि हम लोग बुलिश थे एंड ब्रॉडली बुलिश ही है, अभी भी बियरिश तो दिख नहीं रहा है ओवरऑल. ये रहा, मैं मोमेंटम वाला भी ला दिया यहाँ पे. सो ओवरऑल दिख रहा है कि मोमेंटम जो है वो थोड़ा फेड हो रहा है, फ्लैट हो रहा है मोमेंटम अभी भी, बट मार्केट ब्रॉडली बुल्स के कंट्रोल में है. सो हम लोग देखेंगे विथ अ मोमेंटम कम बैक इन द JPY INR, दैट कुड बी अ पॉइंट कि हम लोग फिर से बाई करें JPY INR. अभी आप लोग कोई भी पोजीशन अगर लॉन्ग साइड है, जैसे मेरा पोजीशन लॉन्ग साइड है, विद द स्टॉप लॉस जो डिफाइंड है मेरे सेटअप में, उस बेसिस पे मैं होल्ड करूंगा. फर्दर पोजीशन एडिंग के बारे में अभी तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं सोच रहे हैं. GBP INR कल हम लोग डिस्कस किए थे, मोमेंटम फेड हो रहा है इसमें, दिख रहा है RSI X से, इट इज विजिबल फ्रॉम RSI X एंड इट इज क्लियर GBP INR रेड कैप्स मींस कंसोलिडेशन, और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया पे कंसोलिडेशन हो रहा है. इसको बोलते हैं माउंटेन टॉप रेजिस्टेंस. ये माउंटेन की तरह दिखता है, तो माउंटेन टॉप रेजिस्टेंस में ये रुका हुआ है. सो फर्दर मोमेंटम नीचे जा रहा है, कुछ भी बाई साइड पोजीशन है तो दीज रेड कैप्स सिग्नल देता है कि थोड़ा हट जाना चाहिए. विद द रेड कैप्स आई हैव स्क्वायर्ड ऑफ majority of my position and I'm sitting on the sideline to see. यहाँ पे भी अलर्ट डाल देंगे, Alt A शॉर्ट मोमेंटम बुलिश. जब आ जाएगा वो अलर्ट हो, तब जाके हम लोग GBP INR को फिर से ट्रेड करने की सोचेंगे. कमिंग टू यूरो INR, यूरो INR में भी सेल सिग्नल आया है, कॉन्ट्ररी सेल सिग्नल ये रहा, और वेरी लाइकली ये पेयर अगर सेल भारी रहा तो वेरी लाइकली इट इज हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स 89.40, जो अभी भी ₹1 नीचे है, इक्विवेलेंट टू 1000 पॉइंट्स मूव. मैं कुछ शॉर्ट पोजीशन इसमें होल्ड कर रहा हूं, छोटा पोजीशन, बिकॉज इट्स अ कॉन्ट्ररी सेल, ट्रेंड के साथ नहीं है ये सेल. तो ये रहा, ये एरिया इज वेरी लाइकली मेरा टारगेट होगा 89.40. अब फॉरेन एक्सचेंज के साथ और दो काउंटर देखना चाहिए, वो मॉनेटरी के अंदर आता है, दैट इज द गोल्ड एंड द सिल्वर. तो इंडियन गोल्ड इज नॉट ओपन yet. We'll look at the international gold. You can see that sharp decline in momentum. This is a big move, and after the big move, ये रहा a red candle, red background, minimum stop loss was hit 2078 के आसपास. So this one is fully now in a consolidation mode, turning back mode. Short-term momentum is missing. Price action has gone neutral. I will stay completely out of gold. Actually, I was long in gold, but जैसे ही कल सुबह मॉर्निंग में एशियन मार्केट में इतना बड़ा स्पाइक दिया, that was a warning that something is wrong. Gold is showing unusual volatility. बाद में at the जैसे डे प्रोग्रेस किया, when the day progressed, we saw dollar index going up, dollar becoming stronger. Strong dollar is bad for gold. Gold saw further decline, and after that we saw US interest rate also went up, supporting the dollar. Interest rates rising are also bad for the gold. So these two factors further contributed to the gold selling. And once the gold selling came from up to such a big level, 2150 almost, then the panic selling set in, because a lot of people went bullish. Then after almost at the end of the day, bulls were running for cover. So gold में मेरा best suggestion होगा stay out. Gold बहुत ही potential counter है, it gives lot of good moves, but when it is not, when it is market is telling us to stay away. Momentum is bearish, whereas trend bull के साथ तो एक mixed market का situation है. We want to avoid doing anything on a gold as per daily time frame. You may take some action on a different time frame, but on a daily, it looks like we should avoid. The silver background turned yellow. It means short-term trend neutral. We could see the red caps yesterday. And finally, short-term momentum bhi chala gaya hai. So broadly, silver may be as per daily, we do nothing. Move to the sideline and wait and see. Now for the final chapter, we'll look at the candlesticks chart through the rainbow. Rainbow has its own candlestick setup. Here the normal candlestick setup. So euro is falling further. We discussed about bearishness. It has at a support. Once it starts breaking 1.820 and this 80 level is getting cleared, we can expect the level we mentioned, 1.074. Then we have the pound. It's consolidating clear. This is an evening star formation. Uske baad a bounce back, trying to negate the evening star, equivalent another round of selling. This kind of movement, price action confusing, these are best to stay out. If market starts breaking 1.262, you can see further down move towards 1.257. or in the worst case, 1.248. Then we have USD JPY broadly in a lower high, lower low Dow structure, lower high, lower low structure. It remains bearish. A candle-based sell signal has appeared. We are seeing a minor bounce back from yesterday's good move in Japanese yen. Japanese yen, one of the strongest counter yesterday among foreign exchange. So you can see further bounce back possibility, but broadly the outlook remains bearish. The Japanese yen benefits from lower interest rate in the US, lower US interest rate. Yesterday interest rates went up later on, and that provided resistance to Japanese yen, and Japanese yen lost some strength, and USD JPY recovered ground. Look at the USD INR, largely a game of Reserve Bank of India. You can think of some option selling and make some money, but I don't like that trade because RBI cuts down the volatility and we don't get enough compensation in premium. Premium में ज्यादा कुछ नहीं मिलता, किंतु आरबीआई वोलेटिलिटी कट करते रहता है और पता नहीं किस दिन आरबीआई वोलेटिलिटी कट कर नहीं करेगा, and we can turn into this we can trigger a bigger loss because the profits we have been earning very small. So I rather prefer the futures trading. Those are more profitable and risk managed. Japanese yen showing a comeback, definite comeback is going on. But further up momentum is required to make a push higher. If we look at the RSI, it is not significantly going up. Let's look at GBP INR. Similar picture we have, जैसे GBP USD की तरह एक consolidation में we want a clear break. ये levels का आप alert डालने चाहते हो 105.18 crossing down. You want an alert and also an alert crossing up. So these two level of alerts in GBP INR. चलिए यूरो आईएनआर प्रिटी बियरिश. ये जो ट्रेंड लाइन अगर हम लोग देखेंगे वो ट्रेंड लाइन के आसपास जाने का पॉसिबिलिटी विच इज also near this empty line, medium term trend line. We'll look at gold. Look at the violent candle we have seen in gold. Lot of people who went bullish, finally they moved into loss. People were waiting and looking at the gold as it was going up, and some of them could not resist and possibly jumped around these levels, and finally they are in loss. Looking at this candle, if gold starts breaking 224, we can see further strong down move in gold. Then we have silver, XAG USD or the international silver. Look at the massive candle we have seen. and further silver remains under pressure. Further down move lag raha hai, that will bring silver back to 23.90. So we'll be careful on the long side, rather some short opportunities can open up. But since this is against the main trend, it is recommended that these short opportunities are try kare with a smaller quantity of position. So that's it from my side. Oh, sorry, one last is remaining is the dollar index. Let's look at the dollar index, trying to make a comeback in the dollar index. But main question for the dollar will remain, can it break this trend line later on in the, if it at all challenges or it is going to come back from this congestion area. Let's look at what dollar index telling is per rainbow setup. So we can see clearly the momentum is coming back via SDRSI-X. The downtrend that we are seeing is now almost over. As per Rainbow, you can see the maximum stop loss that has squeezed and has been hit. So moving away from the short dollar position is the main game here. I will like to wait and watch more before I take any significant position on foreign exchange. Currently, short Euro USD, a little short Euro INR, small long JPY INR remains the preferred trade. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best. If अगर ये वीडियो आपको हेल्प कर रहा है कोई भी तरह, you can like and subscribe. All the best and happy trading.